WORKPRO Cordless Hot Glue Gun, Fast Preheating Glue Gun Kit with 20 PCS Premium Mini Glue Gun Sticks, Smart Power Off Hot Melt Glue Gun built-in 2600 mAh Lithium-ion, upgraded version. The glue gun features a fast 2 minutes warm-up time. In addition, the built-in MCH heater is more efficient than traditional PTC system. Off Cordless Hot Glue Gun with 20 PCS full-size glue sticks, 60W, fast preheating and high-temp, lithium-ion hot melt glue gun kit for DIY projects, arts, crafts, quick repairs, and home decoration. A glue storage function in the chamber greatly improves the efficiency of discharging glue. Intelligent safety system added smart linkage switch. It will power off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity to protect the safety of the user and save energy simultaneously. Moreover, the glue gun has battery and heating indicators that you can always know the energy/working status of the glue gun. The surface is made of a flame retardant material to protect the hands from burns. Stand-up base and cordless. Compared with other glue guns, this built-in unique stand-up base and cordless design keep your hot glue gun upright and ready for action. It's an ideal choice for all hot melt glue gun users. No more taking your eyes off work, and will help to make your work easier. Play button fast preheating. The hot glue gun, 60W, featuring a 2 to 3 minute warm-up time is more efficient than the traditional heat-up system, which will save more waiting time and make it a perfect tool for arts and crafts, DIY projects, office use, home repairing, and Christmas decorations.